completely outplayed by Peshawar Zalmi. First 108 for 9 for Karachi Kings, never enough. Peshawar Zalmi cruising with Zazai 6 wickets. Well, we welcome our guest today, Ms. Sherbano, Digital Consumer Experience HBL. And we'd like to call upon our player of the match, and we have no doubts. It's got to be Hazratullah Zazai's special knock today. He was all over Karachi King bowlers, hitting the ball clean, hitting it big, got some boundaries going as well, found the gaps at the right time. He had bowlers and Karachi Kings under pressure throughout that knock of 6-3 of just 26 deliveries with 4 sixes and 8 boundaries. Zazai will sign the Bright Opane's Fan of the Match ball, and he will also collect the HBL PSL Player of the Match trophy and cash award of PKR 7,50,000. And we'll also have a quick word with him about this amazing knock. Zazai, इतनी ज़बरदस्त धुआंधार आपने इनिंग्स के लिए और बहुत ही शानदार आपने आज बैटिंग की है. पहला मौका था आपका HBL PSL में, तो ये बताइए पहले तो कि एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा. आज पहला दिन था आपका इस टूर्नामेंट में.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. सबसे पहले तो अल्लाह का शुक्र अदा करना चाहता हूँ कि ऐसा परफॉर्मेंस हुआ मेरे से. जब PSL में सेलेक्ट हुआ तो बहुत ही एक्साइटेड था कि पेशावर ज़ल्मी के लिए खेलूँ, और जब यहाँ पे आया प्रैक्टिस की तो प्रैक्टिस में फॉर्म अच्छा था, अच्छी शॉट्स लग रही थी, और कोचेस और कप्तान ने बहुत मोटिवेट किया, सपोर्ट बहुत मिली उनसे. इसलिए ये वजह थी जब मैं फुल कॉन्फिडेंस में था जब ग्राउंड में उतरा.
अच्छा, ये आपका स्टाइल और अंदाज़ है, ये तो हमें पता है कि आप तेज़ शॉट्स मारते हैं, लेकिन ये बताना मुश्किल है कि आप ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल पेस बॉलिंग के अगेंस्ट है या स्पिन के, क्योंकि दोनों ही बराबर आपने मारे.
दरअसल मैं तो जो मेरा फेवरेट है तो मेरा फास्ट बॉलर पे मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ, और आजकल जो है स्पिनर के अगेंस्ट भी बहुत अच्छा हूँ. उस पर भी मैंने बहुत प्रैक्टिस की, तो आज जो था 50-50 था. स्पिनर को भी टारगेट कर रहा था और फास्ट बॉलर को भी.
चलिए, ना सिर्फ आपने ज़ल्मी को मैच जिताया बल्कि आप उनके रन रेट को भी बहुत ताकतवर कर गए अपने जैसा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
थैंक यू.
Zazai, the player of the match, HBL player of the match, और इनके इन शॉट्स ने पेशावर ज़ल्मी को शानदार कामयाबी दिलाई है, और and has taken the team to the second position on the points table. Brilliant knock from him, and this kind of knock but definitely will help any captain, and he'll be finding himself in a very comfortable zone as far as the tournament position is concerned. We'll talk to Wahab Riaz, and Wahab, it's amazing to sit outside as a captain and watch one of your players do what he did.
Yes, I think the way he has batted, he took the pressure, and the way he plays, he he had left no cue to the bowling options that what they can do for it.
Now, we know how he plays, but was that an instruction from you that we need to get these runs quickly in order to get our run rate also, because this was an opportunity?
See, we have just given the license to go out, express yourself the way you play. There is no pressure, and I think it's good to give the guys that confidence to go out and play their game, because you know that what they are capable of, and on the day they can be destructive for any team.
And a last question now, when you're winning as a captain, as a team, everything looks good, but are there any concerns when you look at the middle order hasn't not really been tested? Is that your concern in matches to come?
Yes, that is a concern, because in the last 3 games we have been giving wickets like 2 wickets per over, and we are losing like 4 in quick succession, 3 in today as well. I think this is where we really have to work hard. We have to think about it, that the batsman who is playing in, he has to carry it on. Otherwise, good teams don't let you come back.
Well, this innings and this performance of your team, and with your bowling, you have skyrocketed to number 2 on the points table. Keep that momentum, and congratulations.
Thank you very much.
So yeah, we're talking about Peshawar Zalmi have raced to number 2 with that blistering knock from Zazai. Have a look at that. Karachi started off at top in this Abu Dhabi leg, and they've slipped down to number 5. Islamabad, you can see that queue. They're the first team to qualify for the playoffs. And more action lined up for a single encounter, and that will be at 9 p.m. Well, today. It's Multan Sultans and Quetta Gladiators, an all-important game. Do join us tomorrow at this mentioned time, and until then, it's goodbye.